If you have a Tesla Cybertruck and you're wondering how to mount your actual all-terrain wheel cover, well, there's a technique to it. And don't just shove it all in there. You have the wheel cover and the attachment adapter, as you can see there. You're supposed to pull out the attachment adapter by using a pry tool and unclipping it, and then putting that adapter on first, then putting on the actual cover itself. If you try to do the cover with the actual attachment together, it's going to mess up your clip and your wheels. It's going to scratch everything up. So some of Tesla service center don't even know how to do this themselves. So make sure you follow this video and share it with whoever has a Cybertruck who just recently received their all-terrain wheel cover. Make sure they put on the actual adapter first by pulling it off of the actual wheel cover itself. Once you line this up, you line up the actual cover itself. So it comes bare bone like this, and it can scratch. So even it's not alloy, it will still scratch. So make sure you put on the attachment first, and you just basically take this attachment off of the wheel cover when they give it to you, and then line it up, mount it to the actual wheel, and then make sure your wheels are clean as well before you mount it. Then you put the cover on. You want to circle it in an angle and then line it up. It should go on there pretty easy. I've seen some videos out there where they try to shove the actual adapter and the wheel cover on, and it is a huge mess. Once you take it off, lots of scratches on the wheel and clips broken. Hopefully you find this video helpful if you have a Tesla Cybertruck. If you don't and you're looking to purchase one, huge deals right now, up to $5,000 off, $7,500 off from federal credit as well.
Crazy. Now
so check out link in the description of this video. Make sure you take advantage of that. So Tesla Cybertruck, guys. Take care. Remember to subscribe, and catch you all next time.